Hello friends, welcome to Zerosack Network's Private Limited Learning Center. In this video we are going to learn how to create and set up AdWords account. So let's get started. Step 1. Firstly, open your browser and type AdWords. Click on AdWords website link. Now you are on home page of AdWords. Click to sign in link on your top right corner. Now if you have Gmail ID then log in with this, otherwise you can create new Gmail account. So at this time I have my Gmail account, so I just put my Gmail account details. Put email address and password. And enter. Now you are in AdWords Setup Wizard. In this screen you need to put your email address that is already taken from your Gmail account and your website address. For now, if you don't have website, then you can skip this process by clicking on skip the guided setup. So I am assuming that you don't have website, so I am clicking on this link. This is recommended step for all users. Now in this slide you need to confirm some of the details of yours, like your email account, your country time zone, and currency. Please fill all the information carefully, because after this process this will not change. Because country time zone is very important for managing and seeing your ads reports. And the currency in which you are going to spend or pay in AdWords for ads. After all the information correct, hit save and continue. Here we come with AdWords dashboard. Congratulations, yours AdWords account has been created successfully. That's it for the today. In the next video we are going to learn how to set up payment and billing options. Till then, be happy and be safe. Please share and subscribe our channel to support our work.